What's going on, guys? Hopefully you guys liked the last video of the DHM tune-in ECU. Today we are going to be finishing up with the Dingle built intake. So basically I went with the 7K high RPM one. Usually people, they go with the low torque one, but let me tell you, this thing is beautiful. Like the welds on it, everything. It comes with the intake, and it even comes with the little fairing piece for the front, so this doesn't get all wobbly. So since the last time didn't even put the bike back together, you're basically just gonna keep on taking all the clips off of this side, and then we're gonna get to the intake. All right, so we got all the fairing off. It's a naked bike now. Basically, we're out to take this out. So it looks like there's a Phillips down here. This is for the idle control valve, I do believe so. There is a 10mm bolt on both sides. So let's knock this out. Alright, so we got the old intake out. Now it's time to put the new intake pipe on. You will need to cut this hose. It's like a little breather. So let's mock up the new intake and see how it looks. I'm super excited. Alright, so I just noticed something really cool. Look at the detail on this. This is how you know the man really cares about what he's doing. And I talked to him a little bit about the intake and everything. Super cool guy. Definitely glad I got his intake and got to meet him. But yeah, so now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this little grommet and it's gonna go onto the throttle body like that, and then basically the intake is gonna go on. So, but the one thing I did notice is this little bracket right here. As you can tell, it's in the way. So it's just for the ignition. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to bend it back. If not, I'm just gonna take it off, and we're just gonna keep on going with this. All right, so got the intake on and everything. What you want to do, turn the wheel all the way. Make sure it's not binding. So we're all good. I'm gonna finish this up. I'm gonna put the sensor in and we're gonna call it a day. And well, first we're gonna hear it start, and I can't wait. All right, so I got everything hooked up. Looks amazing. I cut the factory like little vent tube. All the fitment's good. So let's hear how this bad boy is gonna sound. That sounds amazing. I would rev it just a little bit, but I got to get the ECU, you know, all calibrated and everything. So hopefully you guys liked this video. Big shout out to Dingerbuilt. Thank you for helping me with my intake, and I will see you in the next one.